Hey everybody, very good morning. Welcome back to the pre-market outlook discussion for the 2nd of January 2026. Hope you all had observed the thing what you have explained about the importance about the high and low of the 31st December 2025, which has been broken but could not maintain or sustain above the high of that particular 31st December in the closing manner. Anyhow, this break itself is a signal for the index like NIFTY, base, Sensex and all will again take a severe attempt towards closing above that particular point in the way of getting consolidated maybe for the day, or otherwise in case the second attempt of breaking also will increase the strength to make the close above to that December 31st high. That's it. So this is what the behavior we have to notice today. And as long as the support, particularly from the positional perspective, we have somewhat lifted the level from 25,700 to 25,880. So this is an interim support zone one can follow, but the major one, the range shift zone, can be treated as 25,700 only. As long as this 25,700 is kept by the Nifty side, the positional traders can keep deploying a buy on dip strategy. Based on that, one can enjoy the bigger gain between the swings. The Nifty is going to witness likely between 26,200 to 25,700, then 26,100 to 25,700. If it is further swinging, 26,000 to 25,700. Anyhow, the 300 points we can have as a swing. So between these swing ranges, what you have discussed can be utilized with the buy on dip strategy, but provided that 25,700 level should not get broken. Even it should not get broken this time. Previously, we have been telling that the closing below consecutive close below to 25,700 for the 2 days in a row, like we have many times pronounced. But this time, we have somewhat revising the strategy about a break itself by 25,700 below will make a signal for the corrective phase of movements on the Nifty side, where we can get a clear confirmation once it closes below 25,700. But the difference between these two range-based strategies we are providing, see, this time the break itself may be extensively on the same day moving towards 25,500 or 365 as a maximum support zone, or otherwise, in case it is not able to close below the 25,700, nothing big happen. After breaking 25,700 below the level, it may bounce back to 25,880. Between this level, again the selling may get attracted, and based on that retracement activities on the selling side, one can see the selling may be pulling down the Nifty again towards the 25,700 and below to 25,500, even 25,365 as the very core one. So these are all based on positional way of approach one can have. For the day, the 2nd of January, the markets are going to see a flat to positive open. Anyhow, the opening trend will not have any impact based on Nifty's behavior today. The rest of the day's trend would be considered as a trend finder, or otherwise lacking and trapping between the range what we have mentioned here. In case it is lacking, means the probability will be very high between the range of the consolidation may be happening. That range will be 26,100, 26,200. That may be the resistance zone or capping points. And 26,100 100 level once getting broken, 25,950, immediately 50 points difference, the support will be lying. And based on this range, one can see the trade may be oscillating. In case a decisive break above the point of 26,200 happens, means we can see the 26,300 levels getting approached within a 2 to 3 hours of trading. Maximum 2 hours is enough, I think. And conversely, in case the 26,000 level getting broken, that means the 26,100 level getting broken means for the day, the 25,950 as a final support level may be sought by the Nifty to seek or to observe the buy. So that is what the intraday based range for the Nifty we can have, and we can deploy a buy and dip strategy with the levels provided here to make your trade clearly on the direction, even though there are plenty of chances for getting consolidated between a thin range as mentioned here. From the sectors front, today very core activity from the automobile side can be seen. Due to the sales data from the companies are being released. For the day, the Hero MotoCorp and TVS Motors are having impact of the sales data oriented movements. So that can be focused. Along with that, other stocks also may be in focus for the next 1 to 2 sessions. Metal will be the next one, since the Hindalco Aluminium and National Aluminium kind of stocks are actually getting in again with an interest of moving higher. And Hindustan Copper, Hindustan Zinc also may be from the mining space focused. Even the Tata Steel sale may be getting consolidated. That can be utilized to book some profit and use the buy and dip strategy there also. IT space would be expected to move somewhat better in the higher side. And since the business updates are started pouring in from the aspect of the fourth quarter results, that means third quarter results. So that way, the companies like large major companies, HCL Technology, NIFTY, Wipro, Tech Mahindra and all, may be giving their updations. And until these results are come out, IT sector can be continuously focused. And energy, FMCG will be the final one in the list of sectors that may be impacting the market's move today. From the stocks front, we can see the impact of sales data affecting Hero MotoCorp, TVS Motor. We have also recommended options side Hero MotoCorp on the call side. So we'll see whether that is getting achieved today or not. Hyundai Motors India, Retail Corporation based on news only. JSW Energy based on technical behavior, REC Limited based on news, Industar based on technical behavior, Supreme Industries as well, and Time Technoplast, Vodafone Idea based on news. These are the core stocks amongst many available for trading, for making an enhanced trading chances. So that's it from today's pre-market discussion. Don't forget to keep the stop loss, because it is very, very important to maintain the stop loss on all the transactions. Without this discipline, one may struggle to keep their capital protected as well as enjoying the better risk and reward. So don't forget to keep the stop loss on all trades. Wishing everyone to have a productive trading day today. So thank you for participating in today's session. We will be meeting again in the pre-market outlook discussion on Monday. Meanwhile, the Saturday session about the weekly market predictions, discussions, and more things about the January month's one and all will be discussed. So the meeting will be conducted tomorrow at 11:30 to almost 2 o'clock. So make use of it. We'll see you again there. Thank you.